Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study the microcontroller. The course name is microcontroller. The code is 18E52. So this is the 8051 microcontroller which we are going to study. So this is the 8051 microcontroller from Intel. It is a 40-pin IC. Coming to the course learning objectives. It explains the internal organization and working of computers, microcontrollers and embedded processors. Compare and contrast the various members of 8051 family. Explains the registers of 8051 microcontroller. Manipulation of data using registers and move instructions. Explains in detail the execution of 8051 assembly language instructions and the data types. Explains the loop conditions, conditional and unconditional jump and call for subroutines, handling and manipulation of I/O instructions. To explain the different addressing modes of 8051, arithmetic instructions, logic instructions and the programs. To explain and develop 8051C programs for time delay, I/O operations, I/O bit manipulation and logic. Coming to the course outcomes. At the end of this course, we'll get to know the architecture of 8051, registers used, internal memory organization and the various addressing modes used. Also, we'll study the instruction sets of 8051 and know how to use it in the program, accessing data and I/O port programming. Also develop the programs using 8051C for time delay, I/O operations, I/O bit manipulation, logic instructions and arithmetic operations, data conversion and timer or counter programming. Also know the basics of serial communication and interrupts and develop programs for serial data communication and interrupt programming. Also know how to program the 8051 to work with the external devices for ADC, DAC, stepper motor control, DC motor control, elevator control. Now coming to why use the assembly language. We can have the high level language or assembly language used. So basically human beings write programs in high level language or assembly language. So you have the some of the high level languages, that is C, C++, Java, and we have assembly languages like microcontroller, microprocessor and all. So you can see a code written, one set of instruction, that is C equal to A plus B. This is in high level language where A and B, the content of A and B is added and it is stored in C. Similar operation can be performed using assembly language, that is we can write instruction or code or set of statement where we can have this particular operation done. So that is written in English literature format. So add A comma B. So in assembly language, add A comma B means the content of A and B is added and this will store the result in the register A, which is nothing but accumulator. So basically here A and B are the registers, whereas in high level language A and B are the variables. So these two programming languages, high level language or assembly language, will not be understood by the machine or computer. So it has to be converted to machine language which will be understood by the machine. So this machine language will be basically in zeros and ones format, binary form. So once this machine language is generated, we can have the required output or the required application run. Coming to why do we need to learn microcontrollers? Nowadays, most electronic devices have microcontroller inside them in some form or another. So basically they are embedded within the devices so that they can control the features or actions of those devices. So the microcontroller, it is required to gather input via the various sensors or any human intervention. and then process this input into set of actions and then use this output obtained from the process data on the microcontroller to design a simple interactive device. So the advantage of using microcontroller is it saves cost, saves power consumption and makes the circuit compact. Applications of microcontroller. Various applications are there. In home, we have the different home appliances which can be controlled and monitored using microcontroller. Same way we can have intercom telephones, security system, garage door openers, answering machines, fax machines, home computers, TV, cable, TV tuner, VCR, camcorder, remote controls, video games, cellular phones, musical instruments, sewing machines, lighting control, paging, camera, pinball machines, toys and exercise equipment. These are the few applications of microcontroller in under home category. Next, under office category, we have telephones, computers, security systems, fax machines, microwave, copier, laser printer, color printer, paging. Also in automobile or auto section, we have trip, computer, engine control, airbag, ABS, instrumentation, security system, transmission control, entertainment, climate control, cellular phone, keyless entry.